Did I make a mistake buying a Milwaukee multi-tool over a Dewalt? Let's find out. So guys, these are my two osculating multi-tools, and I have one Milwaukee M12 brushless, and I have the Dewalt Atomic brushless. And here's why I kind of like the Dewalt better, which is not something I'd usually say, but this time I think they take the cake. Here's why. The biggest difference between these that I think makes the Dewalt win is this chuck at the end here. So on this one, I'll show you a little closer there. You have like a quick depress button with a heavy spring, and you're able to just pull your bit out just like that. And it is a heavy spring, so it's super sturdy. So I'm able to pull it back, pop my different bit in or whatever you want, snaps in, and you're done. And then you can switch to whatever you need. Whereas the Milwaukee's a little different. And there's another pro to the Milwaukees. You actually have variable speed from 4 to 12. So here's the sound difference on that. That goes pretty slow. Okay, sorry. Here's the difference with the chucks though. So on the front here, you got this little like a flathead tightener, screw, retainer, whatever you want to call it. On the back, you got this big flipper tongue, I guess we'll call that, a little flipper tongue. So we're gonna pull that up, but when you pull it all the way up, it doesn't pull it enough to pull the bit out. So once you do that, you need to come up here and you need to loosen this by hand, unscrew it, pull your bit out, okay, grab your new one, then you put it in. This is what bothers me, is because Dewalt did a good job on this. So then you just tighten it back down, flip this lever down, and you're good. That tool's not gonna go anywhere. But, you know, I think Milwaukee just did a better job on design. Both the lights are in the front here. I'll turn them on for you. You guys can probably buy some different attachments that maybe your wives might like. I don't know. I'm just kidding. You probably can't. Or can you? I don't know. You guys are the freaks. But anyway, guys, that's why I think I like this Dewalt multi-tool a little bit over this M12 brushless multi-tool. I think they just have a better design with the chuck up here, and you're able to switch it quicker, especially if you want to do something, if you're cutting straight like this and say you want to move your bit completely to the left, you just pull it, adjust it just like that, you're done. So hats off to Dewalt for that one. And I am giving that tool away to one of my subscribers on next couple of my videos. I'll explain how. There's a little short somewhere in my feed there explaining why, but I am going to be giving that away along with the charger and the drill if it lives. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.